ko day, dili ukay-ukay, kundi sa Shopee ni day. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rocha, aka beautymagz. In today's video, we are doing another Shopee haul. And this is going to be our part 4. So for our haul today, it's going to be an affordable, sexy, see-through lingerie panty haul from Shopee. I want to step up another level, so of course, do again on some online shopping. Ano to guys, ang ating first panty is a little bit social, no? Charan! Oh, may pabalot-balot na siya guys. A very nice panty. It's a lace, flowery. A panty kong nipis. Why? Ang panty ko day, dili ukay-ukay, kundi sa Shopee ni day. Why? As you can see guys, it's a very tiny see-through. Oh, match kami, no? Pa baby pink. Ano to siya? In real? It's like, loading. This is like a baby pink. And the detail of this, I really like it. It's like embroidery. Yeah? See that? Of course, again, see-through. Also like a mesh, no? There's a bow. This is very, very appealing to everybody. Ivana, alaway pa tayo dito? Yes. Lupot mo dalagdaan, Ivana ka na. May paano siya pa guys. O, pa star-star siya. It's really, really like striking. This is striking. And the price for this, I think it's about $49. 49 pesos lang. Very mura. Mamura lang to. Mura. Bisaya ka dahi. Very cheap siya. Probably it's just the factory about like the seams. I think that's what makes it like cheaper. But for me, the design, para talaga siyang social na social talaga siyang panty, no? Agree mo? How about you guys? You guys, you. Do you agree? Yeah, right? Right? It's pretty sexy, right? I certainly recommend this, guys. So our next panty, guys, it's black. It's black. And of course, another see-through. Dapat talaga bonggang-bongga ka, no? Especially if you are in your honeymoon stage. Dapat pa, ano ka guys, bigyan mo ng power ang first night, no? For the honeymoon, yes, I would recommend this. Look at the detail. Bow. Thong. Diba? Straight. Okay. Sakit sa almoranas. What do you think? It's light, comfortable, easy to wear. Yes. The only problem is, kung naka-almoranas. You can say you call me crazy. You can say what's on your mind. I don't care if you call me crazy. We all live in a world full of desire. Pataka lang. Okay, so next panty, guys. This will be the last one, okay? Are you ready? Paru-parang bukid. Ang paru-paru bukid-bukid. Butterfly. Yes. Ito ang nagdadala ng swerte sa ating panty haul. Yan, bumili na kayo ng butterfly. Baka swertihin din kayo. Oh, ha? Plug in. Mura pa. Swertihin ka na. Diba? Oh, you will be lucky. A big chance for you to be successful in your panty. Like this. Very comfortable to wear. Yes. And also like silky. It has a print on like at the back side. Actually, this is my type. Sexy and a little bit conservative type of a panty. I hope you enjoy this panty haul or lingerie, sexy, affordable, cheap but feeling classy panty haul. I hope you like this video. Please give this a thumbs up, subscribe if you want, comment down below, give me your thoughts, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. There's a Shopee I chose to find my panty and all the things to do for being such a good panty.